Coop, coop. Morning, guys. How we doing? How we doing? I don't know about the bug eating though. Morning, morning. Hope everyone had a good weekend. I had a fucking busy weekend, bro. Ridiculously. I was supposed to co-stream the Red Bull event over the weekend, but I got too busy. Yo, what up, Bot Account and Brother Master over on Grove Street? How you doing, my brothers? Shout out to everyone on Twitch as well. My weekend was garbage. Oh, mine was busy. Busy productivity weekend. Looking forward to taking a break soon. But hey, it's December now, chat. And we are closing in on the end of the year. It's crazy to think that the year's almost over, eh? Fast, very fast. We just set up our Christmas tree yesterday as well. Kia ora whānau, everyone's as well. Chat, my bro. Binge watching Netflix all weekend. Oh, that would have been nice. Oh, what up, Dome? Yeah, so I pretty much had kabaka practice all weekend. We've only got like 2 more practices before we take a break within the year. And then come back next year. Something else, yeah, I was supposed to stream the Red Bull event on Sunday. I got asked to co-stream it, but I got too busy and I didn't want to be up at 3 AM to co-stream it. If my voice is a bit cracky, it's from all the singing yesterday. So Cam Rogan, I don't know why, but I can smell petrol that way. Weird ass smell, I tell you that much, ladies and gentlemen. Let me check under my car just in case. No, dry ass, it's not me. But yeah, had a solid weekend, busy as. I need to get the other tripod because we'll go live on TikTok today. We'll be dropping another episode of the podcast very soon too. Not much, been looking into Bachelor of Fine Arts and Design and Digital Fabrication now. Oh, true, my bro. Can you try that last as long as you can with an American accent? Not with my voice how it is. I was singing all weekend, so it's still a bit shot. A ball as well. Fuck, that's a strong smell, eh? Yeah. I don't know, I'm just smelling petrol. Yo, what's up, Rye Bread?
Glad to finally be back to take time to chill with y'all after finally settling into my first job after college.
Oh, nice, brother. Studies went well, eh? Good to hear, my bro. Good to hear you locked in too and just done your thing, brother. Love to see it, my bro. Hope you've been looking after yourself too, brother. Thank you for the 41 months, my bro. This is what we've been up to lately. So we've been carving this tiki right here. So we are going to start looking at the other side to design today. But we'll do a few more touch-ups on the side that we've done so far. So we'll do that. And go to from there. But yeah, this is what we've pretty much done. And genuinely, it has been a fun piece to do, this one here. This is just some revision for myself to see if I can still do it. See, my voice is already starting to crack, I can feel it. But yeah, voting for Streamer Awards is over. I want to say thank you very much to all those that voted. Uh, see what happens. If we win, we win. If we don't, we don't. How do you come up with your carving ideas? Everything I do has been passed down through the generations. So Whakairo is knowledge that's been around in our culture for a long time. So everything I do has been done before. Just enjoying my coffee before we start. So for our weight as well, we're sitting around 137.2. We started from 146. I'm thinking about changing up the diet a little bit too. I might even fast for about 5 days, see how that feels. Solid pieces I've been seeing. Hey, check my bro. Yeah, just been trying to upload consistently on Instagram and YouTube, my bro, and TikTok. I won't lie though. Oi! Don't with the tip, bro. You need to stop doing that. You gotta find your mahi. You gotta find your mahi, my bro. That's enough from you, please. Please, my bro. Thank you for the 10 bomb, though. If you got gifted a sub, please give the bro a thank you over on Twitch, please. Thank you, my bro. Apparently, my family has a long history of woodworking. Though not in the same way. Bro, you should look into it, brother. You never know. If you don't mind me asking, is this your culture? Yeah, so I am a Maori, the indigenous people of Aotearoa, or otherwise known as New Zealand. Hey, thank you very much, Chosen, for saying thank you. Giga chat. Yeah, I've been doing calorie deficit for about a month. Yeah, and yeah, we dropped from 146 to 137. I reckon I can still lose 20 kgs in a month. That was my goal, to lose 20 kgs before the end of the year. Favorite Poe character? Oh, that's hard, bro. Probably one of the Karui, eh? That is hard. I've been fat my whole life. I'm 34, time to switch up. Bro, that's pretty much me and you. I've been fat most of my life too. But genuinely, doing a calorie deficit does feel good. You know, it doesn't take away from eating. It's just more in moderation, like seeing what food groups and stuff work for you. And it's been good. I've been doing it for about a month and I feel great. Yeah. I was supposed to do a stream early this morning. I thought the Red Bull event went for 2 days. I woke up at 3 and I was like, fuck, it's not even on today. Sort of plateaued there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I normally when it plateaus, you just gotta change it up again, just because the body would have got used to it. But I want to stay above 100. I'd rather stay in between 100 and 110. I don't want to be any lighter. We have a timber mill and apparently got a great reputation making wagon wheels for people doing on the Westwood. Oh, nice, brother. That was when I got... Oh, yeah. Calorie deficit is mad hard, bro. Hoping to get to 95, but I'm the guy to not say... Oh, bro. It's, So I have like 5 meals a day, eh? Pretty much for mine. So, in the morning, it's a coffee, 3 scrambled eggs, 1 whole grain toast, and an apple. And then halfway through, you can have like, I have 10 almonds before lunch. Then lunchtime, I have like tuna, spinach, 2.5 cups of rice, and I pretty much just chug down some water after that too. And again in between is those almonds and fuck, I can't remember what the other thing was. Oh yeah, if instead of rice too, sometimes I'll switch up to, is it quinoa? Is that what it's called? I think that's what it's called. And for the evening it's just like a pure protein meal. Fresh or canned. Oh, I just get canned, bro. Fresh is too expensive. Yeah, fresh tuna here, bro. I wish I had the money to, but I gotta play it smart because, you know, at the same time, me and my wife are still saving. Do you get the real nice can shit though? Oh, just the normal blue smoked tuna can. Not those high roller ones. No, I get the big cans. I don't get those little small dick cans that everyone tries to eat one of those a day. Fuck that. If you try and make me eat one of those little cans of tuna, that's filling up one hair follicle. So every Saturday too, every Saturday, me and the fams, we go for a walk. Still going gym. Not on the weekend, but yeah, pretty much. I was gonna do legs this morning, but I just done some cardio. I think it's just cardio in the mornings. I want to start adding jiu-jitsu to my morning routine, because I'm thinking of entering a competition in Jan. Wait, we're at a level 4? Yo, Brother Luke! Brother Luke, my man. Thank you very much for the 51 months, my bro. How have you been, brother? How have you been? Bro, I had a dream I was at a Legend of Zelda orchestra last night. How's everyone on YouTube doing? Hey, Cam Gwyn, Elysium, and Clary GM. Hope yous are doing well, bro. My kids, bro. You know how my kids created him for me, eh? They're like, I think we want to make a new one. I'm like, no, I'm not getting a new one. Oh, and we set up our Christmas tree yesterday too. How are you, Carbon Aura? Hope you're doing well, my bro. Bro, my legs are in pain, but I'm happy, brother. Just had training over the weekend. How's the progress going on the carving? What? We've finished one side. There it is. We finished one side. What the hell? Sorry, I had to. That was you, eh?
Tip $6.90. Fancy tuna fund.
They're dome. Thank you. What is even a fancy tuna anyway? Fancy tuna fund, eh? Thank you very much, my bro. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. Now you stop doing that. Appreciate that, brother. Fancy tuna fund. They're still in full chunks. What, like better like sardines? Wait. Really? They ain't molt, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The mulched up ones are kinda nice. Thank you for the level 4 hype train, guys. More like meat chunks. Oh, yeah. What is that? Oh, yeah. That's the two. Let me check that out. Oh, that is a fancy can, eh? That is a fancy can too. What's the biggest thing you have carved, and did you use power tools? We use chainsaws, we use planers. We created the largest Maori wood carving in the world called Te Matatini. And it's only ever used every 2 years. That's when the carving itself is brought out for the national kapaga competition. That's held every 2 years. So it won't be next year, it'll be the following. So next year is going to be The regionals, where all the regions compete to get a spot within the national competition, and then the following year will be the nationals, where they take out the stage and set it up. It took around 6 months to do, and we weren't allowed to go over by a mere minute as well. They had to be done within 6 months. There were some times where we went from 8 a.m. right to 11 p.m. just to stay within our time. So if you want to Google that, Matatini, and you'll see the big stage, like the front of the stage. So, I should just try and show you guys, eh? Hang on, I'll just get the I'll maybe just Google it for now, eh? I feel like I should be carving right now. And I get to watch the beautiful Brox. Hey, chill, my brother. Yeah, I was so gutted I couldn't stream the Red Bull event, man. Because that's such a big opportunity to be given, eh? To co-stream the event. Because SKT was playing as well. Oh, T1 now. Hold up, let me just set up. So what we're going to do today, we're just going to clean up a little. We're going to clean up a little on this. Bro, Brox warms everything about the body. I hope I'm not warming your penis. Sorry, I had to, brother. I'm a cheeky bastard. That's not my job. And I just spat the bro's drink. Come on, bro. What's a good opportunity to? How did that spell? Matatini is how you spell Matatini, brother. Sorry, my bro. I am a cheeky bugger. You know this. I'm always gonna find the funny in something, my bro. I am Mr. Funny. I learned wood carving because of Brox. Hey, nice, my brother. Hey, the Grady. Thank you very much for the Aroha on TikTok. How you doing, TikTok? Hope you are looking after yourselves. Good to see everyone once again. Sorry, I've been away. I've been busy. Oh, jeez, that's loud. Ron, Amber, and the Grady. Thank you very much for the Aroha. Also, chat. I had a good, genuine conversation with the hairy hair over the weekend. And I've come to find out that the bros are just as much of a One Piece fan as me. And he was showing me his house, and he invited me to, if I'm ever around those ways in America, to Texas to stay. To stay for a bit. So I had a pretty good conversation with the bro. The Xmas Power merch spotted. Nice days. Thank you, brother. I got the last year. Oh, it's hot, my bro, so I needed a singlet, so this was the only thing I could find. My little cousins were messaging me last night saying I had to check out the Fortnite event. How good is it? Yo, crazy. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb. Appreciate you, my brother. Oh, there's a courier out there transporting chilled goods, and I'd love it if they sent some chilled. That looks like it's for me, actually. Hold up. Morning. Will this be Shiloh Saputi? Okay, can I get that photo? They just all are. Sorry, chat. That vehicle was actually for me, but it wasn't seafood. It was Red Bull. Okay, chat. I'm back. Bro, that delivery man was a bit weird, eh? He was saying my middle name, and he kept going, "Are you sure that's you?" I was like, "Yeah, that's the name that was given to me when I was born. Why's that?" And he's like, "You should Google your name. You'd be shocked." I was like, "Oh, that doesn't sound good." Now I kind of want to Google my name. Might be some dictator. Nah, he didn't say the whole government. He just said my middle name. Tiana, thank you very much. I appreciate you. He goes, "Are you sure that's you?" I was like, "Yeah, that's me. You're good." I was like, "Bro, why are you making me feel bad about the name that was given to me, man?" Brother, man. What did I do? That was weird. That was a weird interaction. I ain't gonna lie. Thank you, Dragon. Yeah, that was a weird interaction, guys. Now he's making me Google my name. Hold on, chat. Dude's making me think badly about my name. Oh, I see. I see. Well, the name that was given does not mean that it was my uncle's name and he was a gang member, so he wasn't that. I was named after my gang member uncle. I don't want to say what it is just in case people catch on to what it is. But if you give me to 1,000 subs, I'll tell you. Nah, those ones, eh? Just start pulling those ones. Sorry about that, guys. Secretly, Brox is part of a gang. You know what? I wouldn't mind joining an MC. Their name is called Red Rum. They are an indigenous MC. They are not a 1%er. But I like what they stand for. But yeah, I'm not out there trying to join anything or anything like that. I'm good. Damn, I was like, are you sure that's your name? I was like, yeah, that's my name. Don't wear it out. I don't know where he was going with all of that. That was so weird. That was so weird, chat. Hey, what's up, Hicking Bees? He's like looking at me like I was some bloody alien. So, brother, if I was an alien, I'd probably try and be Diamond Head. Is that his name of Ben 10? Giga Chad Jaw. Oh! Morena Jacob. Yo, Shay SH, thank you very much for the roses. I've got uncles that are in like MCs, like proper 1%ers. But, you know, they never... I grew up around, you know, some of my uncles that were in said gangs around the country, but they were never really assholes to me or around the family. And if they ever got out of hand, my grandparents would always put them in their place. Because they always told, if you're going to come and celebrate with us, you leave your bullshit back home. And that's just kind of the way I remember it. Like my uncle, when I moved here in 2009, he's part of an MC, and he never really, you know, was a hard ass around me. He's just loving and caring, just like any other family member I've known. One of my other uncles, he's the president of one of the Mongrel Mob chapters here. He's pretty chill. But he's always telling us, you know, don't do this. You don't need to do this. Do something better with your life. Thank you, Matt. I believe voting might be closed now, my bro. I'm not sure. I think it is, brother. But yeah, by all means, go and check, my bro. But to all those that have voted for me, thank you very much. We're just gonna have to wait and see, and if we win, we win. If we lose, well, life carries on, pretty much. But yeah, I voted for the nanny who does puzzles. I voted for her in our section because I didn't want to vote for myself. That's just weird. I genuinely hope though Burnt Peanut wins VTuber of the Year. Why? Because it's funny. That's all good, man. All good, brother. Yo, what's up, nigga? Chewed, how are you, brother? On both platforms? Oh, on all three? Chew my bro. Yeah, I need to check out this this Fortnite event my nephew was saying. He's saying, it's got all the collabs, uncle. Like, yeah, what you know about collabs there, boy? So yeah, I'll try and check that out on stream at some point. May not be a carving stream tomorrow, guys, because my car is going in to get a full service. Cloud Dawn TTV, thank you very much for the brand new tier 1, my brother, and welcome to the stream as well, my bro. What's up, SS Panzer? Wait, is that a Liger Zero reference? He's got power merch. Yo, Vanessa, yeah, they look after me, eh? They always send out their new drops to me. Like, I never asked for it, but you know, always appreciate it and will always rock it. They send out the new shirt every year. I was hoping to connect with some of them. I had a brief conversation with Lachlan. He was a cool dude to have a chat with. Nice fella. What's up, John? Hello, DJ Norway. How are you, my friend? Looking good. Hey, what up, brother Joe Dirt? How are you, my brother? My brother. Yeah, we're in the 1st of December, guys. So we're officially... the year's almost over. The year's almost over, chat. It's crazy how fast this year has gone by, eh? I can't even remember half the stuff I did within the year. Well, other than, you know, having a child. Having a child, celebrating my first wedding anniversary with my wife. What else did we get up to? I can't remember. I'm a bit of a goldfish, eh? Yeah, the stream I try to be. Yeah, just be yourself, man. Just be yourself, brother. That's all you need to do. Ooh. Still, my show of the year would have to be Chief of War. Why? Because I'm biased. That is still my show of the year, man. That was sick. And I'm not even Kanaka either. Are you in Twitch also? So I'm streaming on Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and TikTok today. Pretty much. Oh, a penguin! Yo, Joe Dirte. Thank you very much, my brother. I wonder where the bro King Tiger is. I wonder how he's doing. I don't want to say what happened to the bro, but he was going through it a little bit. I need to message him after stream today to see how he's doing. Mate, I like to listen to you in the background when I play Arc Raiders. Have you been getting any goop? More goop? I was playing a little bit of Arc Raiders last night, chat, and I got a free loadout. Why? Because I was trolling on the girl voice. I successfully scrammed someone of their loot, and they let me extract with it. And I told them at the end, oh, I'm just a guy with the female voice. And then all I heard was the bang on the desk. I was like, got him. I still find that feature insane. Oh, I love using it, bro. It's funny. He's like, oh, yeah, I'll help you. Man thought he had his ins on Arc Raiders. That's crazy. But yeah, got some free loot last night. I mean, I'm up. How's the game? It's fun, bro. I've come to really enjoy extraction shooters, eh? They are so funny, bro. I know Tarkov is a much more different environment. And Tarkov is quite big here in OCE too. Hey, what's up, Silkworm? How are you, my brother? Yeah, so all we're doing right now is just doing a few little touch-ups. I was in RP a little bit too, and my character's dream car has hit the server, and I was like, fuck! I can't really commit right now. Yeah, so we got a couple more collabs coming up before the end of the year, chat. This part of the year, bro, has become quite busy, eh? Been having issues on it a bit. 20-minute making your loadout. Bro, this guy would be hoarding all the stuff, eh? Tarkov, one mistake and you're dead. Yeah, bro, because shots are properly on that, eh? It's not like a Fortnite where you can unload a whole clip on their left nutsack and they're still standing. It's like one shot to the head, you're out. So I'm like, damn, I need to not manifest myself being an absolute potato. Because honestly, that's me to a T when it comes to FPS games. It's probably the reason why I'd use the potato filter to become my aim. By being a potato. But I'd rather have a kumara, which is a sweet potato. Because that's what my ancestors bought on the canoe when they migrated. And done the Great Migration. That feels a little bit more on brand. I've gotten DC'd from the server a bunch, and that's 10 minutes out of the way. Really? Far out. Thank you, Nathan. Brother Nehana. Appreciate you, my brother. Hello there, Elo. How you doing, brother? I genuinely can't wait to go to the gym again today. I'm thinking I might have to do nighttime training sessions. Unless I try and get it in still within the schooling hours. But then again, if I do that, I feel bad too. Because that's making my wife have to look after baby even more. Even while I'm streaming and then going to train, when at the same time I need to think about giving her time as well. Getting the work in, yo Brock. Oh bro, it's been good, eh? I'm starting to become quite obsessed with it. Grimos and Bowley, thank you very much for the roses. Kia ora. And Mr. Sideburn and Grim Ross as well. Okay, let's what we're gonna do, all we have to do now is clean up this leg. Then after that we'll start either thinking about designing this side of the body, or we'll go to the face. Either one. Nehana and oh, how do you say that name? Ozenia Lacombe? Did I say that right? Do you sell them? These? Yes, I do. Thank you very much, Nehana, for the cats. Voted for you, Brother Rocks. Thank you, my bro. Vote's still open. I thought they were closed yesterday. Maybe because we're a day ahead, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure if voting is still open or not, but maybe it is. Oh, because they're still in November, eh? Maybe it is. In Americano. Mate, how many beans do you think you can eat in one sitting? Like baked beans or like green beans? Put it on toast, brother, it's gone. I reckon I can eat it. I'm not a fussy person, eh? I grew up, you know. The way I grew up, my grandfather always said if you don't eat it, you starve. And that's kind of, yeah, what I tell my kids too. Don't be fussy or you get hungry. Like, I know they're kids, but at the same time, you know, gotta learn to be grateful at whatever age you are. Thank you, I am sped. Cheers, brother. This already looking good, my bro. Thank you, my bro. Just a few little touch-ups on this side and then we can move on. That's the hardest part of the gym, balancing life especially. Yeah, bro, definitely. Yeah, so that's kind of something I want my kids to be appreciative of, you know. Being grateful for what they've been given. Because I always tell them, I know that, you know, they don't know what I'm saying from a bar of soap, but I still say it anyway. Just tell them that, you know, not all people have the privilege of eating at a table or eating food in general. So I always tell them, be grateful for what you've been given. And my eldest daughter is finally starting to understand that, which I'm fully grateful for. I know I might get a little bit of opposition to that, but that's just the way I was raised. You made the cut, brother. I think that's awesome. Yeah, bro. Like, the nomination in itself is an honor, bro. To even be considered for a streamer award at that, brother. Thank you for the cat and the shamrock. Yo, cooler. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Do you sell... Hey, look at that little penguin go. Thank you, Bowley. Thank you very much, brother. Now that I'm seeing more penguins, it's starting to grow on me, eh? My kids want to change my mascot to a penguin, but I'm like, you just made me one. Yo, Joe Dirte, thank you very much for the cats, my bro. Do you sell any of these, and do you make these after hearing a story about the person's life? So the main reason why I'm carving this, it's more revision for myself because I haven't done one since 2015, between the years of 2015 and 2018. So this is what revision looks for me. It is growing on me, I might want to keep it, but then again, the way I think about it, it's better off with someone else than myself. Because I've been carving this and I've been with it majority of the time, so you know, carving it's kind of me having my time with it. So maybe there might be a point where we sell it. I gotta know, what does the Venga Boys channel points redeem? Oh, don't do it, my bro, because we don't have a speaker to blast Venga Boys on full blast and dance around. My sister-in-law took his speaker back, so I have to invest in a speaker for the stream. But I'm gonna get a barbecue instead. Thank you, Joe Dirt, my brother, for the 202 cats. Oh, you're making me look like one of those crazy cat ladies, my bro. And you know the funny thing is, there's one on our street too. Bro. Okay. I'm gonna point the cameras up, okay? So, around 8 o'clock one night. Around 8 o'clock one night, I went for a walk and I passed her house. And I kid you not, bro, I don't know why people do that. Okay, I feel like people that watch TV and keep the curtains open is a bit, it's a bit weird. But I walked past her house, bro, and all the cats were like sitting on her lazy boy around her, and she was watching TV. And then she turned around to me, and I was like, "Oh, scary old fart!" Like I was ready for all her cats to just start chasing me, bro. So yes, I feel like every neighborhood or cul-de-sac or street has a crazy cat lady, and we have one too. She's got about 11 cats in her house. And I know because they're pretty annoying and they walk through all the backyards around the area. That's why we have a water gun now. And I put ice in it too. I've got 6 cats. I'm a crazy cat lady on my street. Joe. Because my daughters, they really want a cat. I was like, no. Because one of those crazy cats might come over and make us have more cats. 6 cats, okay. I'd rather have a dog, I won't lie. I'd rather have a dog. Thank you very much, Jizzo. Rock's got a gangster family to take his kindness for weakness. Oh, bro. They're alright. They know I don't really give a rat's ass about gangs. That Puppet, thank you very much for the roses. Yeah, so my nan was borderline going that way, but then I went, stop getting cats. How's your day going? Hope it's going good. But my morning's going pretty solid. It's a nice, not too hot day with a slight breeze. Had my coffee. Woke up at 3 AM to an email saying that the Red Bull event was over and I didn't have to co-stream it, which was sad because I wanted to. On the road, they jump in front of your car at the last second. Yeah, bro, I've seen that happen a couple of times. I'm surprised her cats ain't become roadkill yet. Love your tattoo. Thank you, Stiffy. Oh, Stifler. Hello there, XJ, once again, over on Grove Street. How you doing, brother? Okay, back to work, eh? I just wanted to tell the crazy cat lady story. Oi, what was that? Thank you for the spaceman. How have you been? TikTok? Like what you've been up to? Where do you live? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my friend. Joe Dirte. Hey, you stop trying to make me a crazy cat person too. I see what you're doing. You been looking after yourself though, Joe? Don't you mean Joe Dirt? Oh, chat, we were at my wife's cousin's house over the weekend for a barbecue, and bro, they have a 5-bedroom house with a pool, and the living room opens out to a balcony out the back, and I was I was buzzing out, eh? More so for the fact that that's what I want for me and mine. Just a house to call our own. Like even the view they had, bro. I just kept walking around the house saying, nah, one day, babe, that's gonna be us. I was just taking it all in, eh? Nah, genuinely, man. Yeah, that's what I'm aiming for in life. Just a home for me and my family. Mikek and Ask, thank you very much for the gifties. Mikek, did you ever watch The Wild Boys, bro? Because that's where I feel like your name's coming from. I hope you don't touch Mikek. Such a goated show, eh? All the Wild Boys. But at the same time, it's good to see they got their shit together in life, eh? And they're not doing that anymore. The Alienware ad is like, wait, what? Eternal Wintel and something else, I don't know. So Alienware is the new ad on Twitch, eh? What ads have I been getting while watching streams? I can't even remember. Hold on, just looking for another chisel. Okay, I got it. Yo, what's up, young swerve? How you doing, brother? What's up, Christian? Kristen? Sorry. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Like a week ago, how their quality drastically dipped after outsourcing their manufacturing. Wait, really? Just checking this out. Fix this up a little bit, chat, because it's a bit thicker on this end here. Got a favourite rugby team? Just wondering. I want to get into All Blacks, my bro. You know, I've always got to rep my own country. The Word 15. Thank you very much for the follow over on Grove Street, my brother. Thank you for the car pies, Christian. Joe Dirt. Bro, you better stop here. You need to buy cat food for your children. Oh, women's rugby, yeah, bro, and the Silver Ferns as well. Wasn't the Sevens on over the weekend too? I always try and stay up to date with the Silver Ferns, and then looking forward to watching Women's Warriors again this year. They did a bloody amazing for their first season. Thank you very much for the gifty, my bro, gifts they've ever seen. Thank you very much, Lil Huxon. Did I say that right? Yeah, I've never actually watched the All Blacks live, chat. IRL. It's only ever been on TV. Rugby is kicking up in Romania too. We have who's... Oh, nice, brother. It's cool to see other countries get in the mix, eh? Straight up. Just have some generational runs. Yeah, they did, bro. Thank you, Goku SA, for the rose. Have you ever played? Not in years, brother. Not in years. The last competitive sport I ever did was powerlifting. But I've since, you know, it's been a couple of years since I did that. I moved away from it. Just wanted to do something else. I mainly just did it for fun. And then eventually, you know, wanted to do something different. Canada just... Oh, true. Who did they play in Japan? What kind of wood... so this is Rata. R-A-T-A is how you spell it. Rata, my bro. Thank you very much to Levi for the 5 roses. I'm expecting the first collab of the month to be sent in tomorrow, chat. So yeah, once again, I can't stream tomorrow because the vehicle is going in for a full service before the end of the year. I kind of do that once every 2 years. That was the first. Oh, nice, brother. Fucking the Eagles lost to the Cowboys, and then the Bears. I'm like, oh no, not the one. Okay, there's a bit of timber sitting here that needs to come out. As I mentioned too, I am constantly looking at the face or from all angles, because one thing I want to make sure is that all the levels are the same too. We've got to constantly keep an eye on those. Thank you, Renee, for the rose. So that's the number one thing that I want to keep an eye on. I'm going against the grain. Main masterpiece? Ah, getting there, my brother. And I was just so sad. Yeah, I can't believe they lost to the Cowboys of all teams, my bro. Do you get any time off for you and your family during the holidays? When it comes to streaming, brother, there's no such thing, eh? I mean, like, Christmas, yeah, I'll take off. But I try and, like, join my family at the last minute. My wife kind of understands that with streaming, I need to be on. I'll be honest, if I could, I'd stream during Christmas too to spend time with you. But throughout the holidays, my bro, I'm streaming through the holidays too. But my kids really want to go to their grandparents as usual. So I'll just do my normal thing through the holidays, stream during the day, and then spend the rest of my day with my wife. Jerry brother just came from TikTok. How's it going? Hey, kia ora, Jericho. We are doing good, my bro. Doing good. Sorry, I just had to match up the sides real quick because there was a lot of timber sitting here compared to this side, and I think we got it now. Yeah, we got it. So those are always the things that I'm keeping an eye on, those types of things there. That's amazing, we appreciate it. Nami here, Christian. Very nice. Thank you, Brother Master. I watched you for about 5 years, I think, when you first started. Yeah, my bro. 5 years is pretty much how long we've been going for. Genuinely, as always, grateful to be going for that long. It's not, you know, I didn't see myself going that long. I thought I would have been forgotten about like a week after and then just go back to looking for a job. Yo, old Mags, thank you for the brand new tier 1, brother. Let me know if you're a sister too, because I tend to, I won't lie, I might call you brother for her so long, and then you say, oh, I'm a sister, and I went, oh, now you tell me. How you been, Boogeyman? How's everyone on TikTok been? Hope you've been looking after yourselves as we move into the last month of the year. So I've got so I'm sitting at 137. How many kgs do I have to lose after that? 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. So I've got to lose 11 more kgs, and that's my goal. That's pretty achievable, I won't lie. That's pretty achievable. Joe Dirte, my brother, the crazy cat man. Thank you, brother. If you don't know, everyone on TikTok, Joe Dirt has about 6 cats. If I was to ever have a cat though, if I was able to choose, I'd have a Bengal. Why? Because they don't shed. They don't shed fur, so, you know, that's a cleaning W in itself via Animal Kingdom. How tall are you? I'm only 185, is that it? I don't know. I don't math that much or at all. I want to do legs today, but my legs are still recovering from training over the weekend, so maybe I'll hold off. So we were singing over the weekend too, guys, and naturally my natural singing voice is at a baritone bass, but I can sing higher as well in terms of range. And I got told I have to sing at a tenor note. Oh, you got 2 rescue cats, my bro. And I won't lie, man, tenor note is hard. That shit is hard, man. I'm just trying to figure out how I need to drop this tooth down a bit more, because at the moment we're going to bevel the mouth too. So we've got to drop that down a bit.
How's it going?
Yo, Turtle World! Cheer, my brother! Thank you very much for the 34 months, my bro. How's it going? All is well, my bro. Hope you're looking after yourself most of all too. Just enjoying being active, my bro. Physically, like health-wise. I saw a clip of you trying to get back to someone. He just made my day, but I'm glad it's still good people in this world. Keep up the great work. Oh, welcome, Leaky. Welcome, my brother. Hope you're looking after yourself too, my bro. Ooh. I need a smaller chisel. One moment. So I think, I don't know, we might design the face today. Kids are hard to keep with when you're not when you're not 100%. Oh, bro, my second daughter, bro, she's the active one. Loves being outside, and I love that for her too. Does jiu-jitsu as well. But yeah, we try and go every day when they don't have extracurriculars on, like swimming and whatnot. But yeah, she's pretty deep into jiu-jitsu at the moment, and that's why she's super confident, man. Like, jiu-jitsu helped out with her confidence so much. When she tries new things, it's more of a ask questions later, just jump in now. Kia ora, Teflon. My year-old is getting into distance running. Bro, that's badass, bro. That's cool, brother. It's cool to see, you know, your children kind of come into their own, when it comes to that point in their lives where they start choosing what they want to do. Like every morning, bro, my daughter goes, Dad, can I do practice arm bars, please? Like she tries to do 5 every morning. I know, because I'm the receiver of those arm bars. But I've been roughhousing her since she was young. I didn't want them to be scared, eh? My older daughter, though, she's a bit of an old soul, bit of a sensitive soul, that one. But she loves her culture in Kapahaka. She doesn't know it, but she's getting the big cultural award for her prize giving next week. So her teacher just told us. I was like, regardless if she was getting something or not, would be there for her prize giving. That's just the way I roll. His full Nelson's on me. Yeah, bro. 5 arm bars every morning and in the evening too. I was teaching her Gamoras as well. Like, she's pretty butty for her size. I was like, yeah, sorry, Bubba, but you get your prop build from me. She's real top heavy, eh? Like pigeon chest and everything. I was like, oh, I feel sorry for whoever tries to look at you when you're older. No, I'm lying. I'm gonna laugh. I always said that to my wife. I want our girls to be the big spoons. The big spoons, Chet, the big spoons. Because one of my good bros too, he was my best man at my wedding. He had a daughter and he's like, fuck. I know the feeling now, Dread. I know the feeling. He's like, yeah, imagine how it feels times 3. And we made a promise to each other that we would do the bad boys scene without the bad word, you know, without dropping that certain word. So, and we also had rock paper scissors to see who would be Will Smith. I'll tell you a story, eh? So, I've mentioned this one before. So, it was my niece. She brought her boyfriend around for the first time. And keep in mind, I was doing a lot of chainsawing on a piece that I was doing. This was before I was Brox, by the way. So I was chainsawing the day away and, you know, getting covered in sawdust. Had the big mask filter on. Had the apron on. Like the big apron and everything, and the chainsaw. And then I see my niece walking up with this other person up the road. I'm like, who's this? And I turned it off and I was just looking at them. Like, all covered up. You'd think I'd be something in a horror movie. And as they got closer, I went, oh, okay, let me go out. And then I saw it was a boy, and I was like, okay. And yeah, I just walked up to them, took a deep breath, and pretty much let my breath out as hard as I could in the filter, and all the sawdust just went ksh. And then I just told her, who's this? And, oh, this is my boyfriend. I was like, what was that? This is my boyfriend. Keep in mind, my toxic trait that I wear on my chest is that I'm overprotective, and I don't give a damn if people don't like that. And I went, oh, okay. well, still having the filter on, and I had the chainsaw in my hand. So I took my mask off to see this boy's face, and I went, "Kia ora." And he's going, "Oh, hi. I don't like people that are timid with me. I like them to talk properly to me." And I went to shake his hand, and I, obviously being a craftsman, you got a hard grip anyway. And I shook his hand, and he just had his hand like that. Like, he didn't even try and shake my hand. I went, "Oh, okay, pussy." You know, so what are you doing? And, "Oh, he's just going to come over." I said, "Oh, you know the rules of the house, eh? No closed doors in this house." And yeah, my niece goes, "Yes, uncle, I know. So, okay, off you go. Leave your window open." So yeah, I had all this sawdust all over my hair, like, and the mask on. But yeah, they're still together today. And he's a good kid. No, he's not. They're not kids anymore. They're bloody adults now. Yeah, bro. If people do that kind of handshake to me, bro, I'm like, dumb. Shake my hand properly. That's my kind of thing that I'd say. But yeah, they're still together. They're good. They're happy. But I pretty much gave them the word, eh? Like, if you break her heart, you better be ready for me. Like, you know, the typical thing that you'd say, but I'd actually do it. He goes, oh, like, why would you say that to me? I love my niece, and I don't want to see her cry or be upset ever. Alright? He goes, "Oh, okay, go inside." And I just told him, in this house, bro, we use the front door, not the windows, okay? If I hear you climb through a window, bro, I'll throw you up till you come back in the front door. And that's just how I've always been, and yeah, I'll probably say that to my daughters, whoever they are in the future. Not looking forward to their day, but it'll be a good laugh. Anyone can send a message, no subscription required. Yeah, you can send a message. You literally sent one right now. But if you can subscribe to the YouTube, it'd be much appreciated. Try and get 1 sub a day on YouTube. Yeah, I hate that, man. I mean, I used to be a bit of a window guy myself back in my teenage days, but you know, I don't want to see that with my kids. We all know the ways as we get older, and then our kids think, "Hey, where's the singlet from, bro?" It's from Power. They're an Australian org. So they always send out, you know, gears to me. Like, they always show love to me, so always, you know, acknowledge them all the time. 1+ YouTube sub. Hey, thank you, brother Benji, my guy. 1 sub of the day. W Mans, appreciate you, brother. Can't go through the windows if a cactus is there. Yes, so I need to buy some big cactus. That's the game plan for when they get to their teens. Big cactus out the front window. Okay, big cactus. And if I can, get a Tibetan Mastiff, okay? Or what's those, a Mastiff, eh? That's the sheepdog, eh? The one that protects the sheep. One of the two. Kia ora, HP1. Hey, thank you, Liz. Hey, we got 2 subscribers today. Damn, we on a roll. There was one time my niece again, she went out partying without telling her mum. And I just happened to stay over that night just because my cousin was a bit tired. And I went, "Oh, yeah, I'll watch the baby, all good. Go and have a sleep." and I put the baby to bed, and I stayed up for a bit, and I noticed, a car far away down the driveway, because at the end of her driveway was a street light, and they turned the lights off like mid-turn, and I'm like, oh, okay. Went to go and check my niece's room, and she wasn't in there. So what I did, I locked their window, and I went into the kitchen and made me a cup of tea. And I stayed, all the lights were off, I stayed in the kitchen, eh? And then I heard her trying to open her window, and then I heard a little, fuck, it's closed. So it was her and her mate. And he goes, well, try the front door, I know where the key is. Like, I could hear the whole thing going on. And then, I hear the door open, and I hear it close, because you have to walk past the kitchen door in order to go to the living room. And I was just standing at the bench, pointing towards the door, waiting for them. And as they were sneaking through, I went, did you have a good night? How was your fella's party? And then my niece just put her head down and she went, fuck. And then I turned the kitchen light on and I was like, do you think these things are new? Do you think you're good at what you're doing? They're like, oh, I'm sorry, Uncle. I was like, I'm not going to tell Mum. Don't tell Mum, please. Don't tell her that you went to a party. Why wouldn't I? He goes, please, Uncle, don't tell her and then I'll be in trouble. It's like, yeah, that's usually what happens, eh? And because I consider myself the fun uncle, I told her, okay, you and your mate, don't forget you. I'm going to tell your mum and dad too. I told them, go to bed. She was, oh, okay. Because she worked at McDonald's at the time, and I went, hey, I won't tell your mum if you give me a full combo for free. She goes, okay, Uncle, I'll get it tomorrow. Then I woke up. I was awake first in the house. Then my cousin was awake too. She goes, oh, that big girl slept through the night. I said, yeah, she's all good. Her mate come over too while you were asleep. And then, oh, okay. And then got my free McDonald's, and then I told my cousin what her daughter did at her 21st. So I did end up telling her in the end. And you should have seen the look she got, bro. But she didn't care. She was 21 now. And the mate that was there was at the birthday too. You did a good thing there. Yeah. Like, at the end of it all, I didn't care as long as they got back safe. I just wanted to show my niece that, I'm always 10 steps ahead. Like, you're all good, eh? I actually don't care, just don't come home with a boy. 50 steps ahead. Yeah, as soon as I saw that car, bro, I went up to her room and I went, hey, this guy crawling out the window. So I locked it. But yeah, that double quarter-pounder combo that day with an extra Big Mac and a large raspberry drink tasted extra nice that day. Very yum. Then my cousin was like, how come you got a McDonald's? It's like, oh, she owes me. She owes me, that's why. with some reservations. Yeah, pretty much told her, get on my level. And even her mates, I was like, you're dumb as well. Did you think you were sneaky too? I was like, yeah, silver Mazda, you know, silver Mazda. You think I wouldn't notice a car that doesn't usually come here? Stop at the driveway down the road. But yeah, man, oh, that was such a good laugh, bro. But yeah, at the same time, it was a good 21st story for her. That girl in high school whose dad gave me picked her up from a date. That's crazy. Fuck, if that was me, bro, the cheekiness would have took over, eh? Fuck. I wouldn't have been able to hold my tongue if they got given to me. Lucky that didn't happen to me as a teenager. I was given a bullet after a date to hold on to. Because I would have said, yeah, I got my gun license too, and what? Rixa, thank you very much for the 1 rose, brother. That's legit what I would have said, eh? Without hesitation too. I remember sneaking out as younger days to go see a girl I liked, but I welcomed back inside the house with the old man's belt. Good, it was worth it. Fuck you. Those were the days, eh? Getting hidings back in those days. We all have done some crazy stuff as kids, yeah, bro. The one thing I could never do as a kid, bro, was steal. That was the one thing I couldn't do. Some of my mates even openly said, "Oh, we're gonna go and try and steal from the shop." When I come over, that sounds dumb. I don't want to join you. Next thing you know, I see a cop car go past to the shop and then leave with 3 little heads in the back car seat. And I see them at school the next day. That's why that was a dumb idea. I could just never bring myself to do it, eh? Ever. Ratu, kia ora, brother. Thank you, Jay Bird. I was shot him was then in the military. That is crazy, brother. Okay, there we go. No. So we're just beveling the mouth real quick. Did you ever get caught? I remember one time, this was when I was in my teens. Fuck, what did we get up to? We went to this party and holy, it was out the gate. Just fight starting left, right and centre, bro. And it was the first time I'd ever seen, a party like that coming from where I'm from. How long did it take you to learn? I've been doing this since I was 12 and, I'm still learning, I guess. It takes a whole lifetime in my opinion. And I am now 34. I'm just beveling the mouth too. Yeah, still learning, brother. Learn something new every day. Always. Oh, that's the way I see it, eh? It takes a whole lifetime to learn something. Some might not agree with my way of thinking about that, but that's just me. That's the kind of the way I see it. So to those that are new too, I want to explain that a tiki is what we're carving today. And with the tiki itself as well, it can represent many things, from fertility to an ancestor as well. Where the shape of the tiki is inspired from is by that of a newborn child. So at the same time you see a lot of wahine wear tiki too. Why am I carving one? Because I haven't done one for a while, and this is just what revision for me looks like. Just having a bit of revision for myself, basically. That's just what I'm up to with this piece right here. So just marking out this tongue here. I just gotta send a message on Discord real quick. Go. Okay, brother, me and Mahi. Do you take commission, Mahi, at all? Yeah, within this part of the year though, no. Like a lot of people are asking, and for this time of the year I kind of just like to chill out. Just enjoy the season with the whānau. But this one's not really a commission, who knows, I might even just sell it too. Been getting a lot of interest in it. On and off the streams that we're on today. If you haven't already, if you can go through and follow the YouTube channel whānau. We've got, well, the slogan is to try and get 1 subscriber a day, but we got 2 today. So we're high rolling at the moment. Sending love from Vancouver. Kia ora, Joe Dirt, my brother. Thank you very much. And full stop for the roses too. Check your primes. Hey, thank you, brother. Taking the old man's Ford RXs out and he was asleep. Took it out for a spin with him. And trying to show off and ended up spinning out and smashing onto the curb. Oh, shit. Parking it up and running away for a few months. Luckily the old man was all goods, welcomed me back and was stuck with mowing the lawns for the rest of my life. That's gold, bro. Thank you, brother Joe Dirt, for the 67 cats, my bro. My older cousin did something like that too with my Koro's brand new Toyota Surf. Back when they just come out back in the day. And he got it stuck in the river, eh? Like he was trying to do river crossings and all that on the truck, showing off basically. And there got it stuck in the river and whoo! The generational ass whooping he got, my bro. The generational ass whooping he got. I was like, bro, you asked for that, eh? That's your fault. Yeah, pretty much, Liz. Like, I normally used to just commission through the year, but after a while I was like, you know, I want to just chill out with the fams, you know. I'll do carvings on stream. Been doing it for the last few years now, just not taking commissions around this time. Go. Even the ancestors are like, damn. One thing we're going to start looking at now too is where our eyes are going to be placed. So that's another thing that we have to focus on right here as well. I was thinking I'm either going to obviously design around the mouth. But I'm wondering if I want to take the design up one way, up one half of the face as well. That's something else I'm thinking of too, as we progress through this as well. Okay, so now just got to figure out how we're going to do the eye. Have you done much mahi on marae? Yeah, over the years I have. So back when I was at the carving school, I'll point the cameras up here. have a bit of a yarn. Let me just do that real quick. Sorry, my legs are a bit sore too from cup of practice over the weekend. So, in terms of mahi on marae, I have done some. I guess the first time I ever did work on a marae, or on a wharenui as a whole, was back when I was like 13. But that was only like painting the manaias on the carvings in the wharenui. And then moving forward, when I went to the carving school here, we did the wharenui for the Air Force, so I got to be a part of that. And one of the more bigger ones that I got to be a part of as well was replicating 2 amo from Mātātua in Whakatane, because they're like 100 years old, and rot was starting to set in, and just like in the middle of the carvings as well. So with that job, it was a lot of replication, just making sure it was all the same, like the original amo as well, the original pieces. So that was a cool project to be a part of as well. So we did that, finished it, and geez, what was after that? There have been so many opportunities where we got to, you know, contribute towards wharenui. But on my own, as of now, I haven't really done any of that kind of mahi. So yeah, the amo, they were quite rotten in between, because like all the water was just sitting there. Like on the newer ones, we did a lot of runoffs, just so the water could get out and wouldn't sit anywhere on the carving. And then over time, you know, it would start to seep in. So that was a cool project to be a part of. The reason why that one hit home too is because that's the Mātātua that my wife comes from. Their house is legit behind that marae. And their wharenui is right next to it too. I'm Wairaka, so my wife is from Whakatane. And brother, are you from Australia? Fuck no. I'm from next door. So yeah, that was a big one for me. Main reason being is because, you know, my kids can see their papa's work when they go to the wharenui, and they can proudly say, you know, my papa did that, with a few other carvers as well, and their grandkids and so on. Yeah. Nah, I'm not from Australia, brother. Hell no. I just found out who, and see, she was carved in our marae and Mangamuka. True, my bro. That's on. How old are you? I'm 34. League or Union? For a moment there, I thought you said League of Legends. I like both. Greetings from Greece. Hey, what's up, rock roller? How many chisels you reckon you got? Like 32, 33 maybe? With 3 extra ones inside that I bought to go and carve in Australia. Do you have daily ritual to keep the tinana in here? Bro, my daily ritual is just make sure baby's good first, and my wife. I just try and wake up and do a few stretches. You know, I'm not getting any younger, so I got to try and be nimble as possible in my age. You know Jimmy Jackson? Yeah, I met him a couple times, and funny enough, the vehicle we have, we bought off him. It's a 7-seater. He's a good dude. Hopefully do something with him next year. That's what I want to try and do more next year, is collabs, because I have not done any. Joe Hazen. What have you been doing to prevent ED? What's that? Explosive diarrhea? I don't know what ED means. You gotta give me the whole word. Do you have a story of your tāmoko? I do, my brother. League of Legends or COD? I'd probably choose League, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Erector. Oh, I don't get that, brother. I go full mast every time. I am the ship, my friend. I am the ship. I have no problem with the mast, alright? I have no problem with the mast at all. Like I said, I am the Flying Dutchman, bro. I am Queen Anne's Revenge. Not the Endeavour, though. Fuck that, bro. I am the Black Pearl, my friend. Yo, Los Vaha, yeah, brother. I'm on live on 4 platforms. That's pretty much the go-to for me nowadays. Yeah. I've always wanted to stream live on YouTube, but just never knew how to. And found the extension. Was streaming on YouTube for a bit, and then somehow my settings got changed, and it wouldn't let me stream live. And I only found out later that my settings got changed to private. Yeah. Stop choking your chicken with your voice grip. Are you making mechanical projects? No, I'm just doing manual as usual. Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, and Kick. So I'm on those platforms too, brother. We were in high school going on a hiking trip in the base of the Mount Everest. And wait, really? If I imagine that, wait, Viagra helps with altitude sickness. Imagine you're hiking up Mount Everest there, and you're smashing back a Viagra, and then your mask gets frozen on full. That'll be funny, bro. What's up, DC? Yo, kiss my put. Thank you very much for the roses and Modelo. Appreciate you, brother. That'll be funny, bro. That gets frozen in place, eh? Next thing you know, you gotta sellotape it to your leg and you're walking around like this. What's up, Mila? How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, we're just having a break right now. Just having a bit of a yarn. I need to go and give me some water as well. Imagine dying with the effects on. Where do you get those pants? From Kmart. They're about $12. Yeah, I don't buy a lot of clothes, bro. I've only got like all the t-shirts I have been from either games that I've collabed with or streaming, like streamers merch kind of thing. Like I might have the odd Nike shirt here and there. Hey, what's up, Lysander? Did I say that right? These stretchy pants. Oh, bro, I was just wearing these because I couldn't find any shorts. Okay, let me just go and get some water, eh? Alright, I have water. I have the water. Just needed to give me some water, guys. How hard it was and how much of a pain it is to laminate the shells myself. Oh, really? Were you singing with the girl with the guitar the other day? I don't know. Huh? Was I singing? I was singing yesterday. What about Dota 2? Earthshaker is my favorite and Storm Spirit. Cherry mate Chibi. What's up, brother? Yeah, I was singing yesterday, but not in public, I guess. If closed practice doesn't count. Sorry, it wasn't you. Nah, I wouldn't be. I was at haka practice yesterday, so I wasn't sure. Hey, much love there, JD. Totally, it was going to be hand carved, but at this stage, I would rather get the skills. Oh, yeah. Can you do a few? You can do it a few ways. Found out. Which is bigger, your brain or your... What the hell? Okay. Do you live in Christchurch? No, I don't live in Christchurch. I live in Rotorua. On the North Island. How you doing? I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Yeah, Notorious is still getting around there, which is quite surprising that it still is, to be honest. Can I sub? I don't know how to do that on TikTok. Thank you, Iron Prince, for the Sakura. Okay, I think what we'll do now is draw. We're going to draw up a design on the face now. From Germany. Chill, my bro. The heck you doing all the way in Germany? You on holiday? Love from Nottingham, England. Hey, what's up, brother? I know it's late for you in England. Spiders are people too. Thank you for the 5 months as an Optimus Prime, brother. Love from Scotland. Hey, my brother. All the way in Scotland. How many chisels you got outside? All 33 of them. I just bring my pack outside. Went live like a year ago, I think, and you were talking about a wedding. Oh, probably mine, bro. Yeah, no, I'm married now. And we have been married for about a year and a bit now. It's been a while, brother. It's been a while. Yeah, that was... When did we... Last year, pretty much. Okay. Thank you, Iron Prince, for the clam. Jesper for the GGs as well. Okay, so this is what we need to plan now. I'm just marking out where the design's going to go. And how much of the mouth that we're going to use. Comfy stream. Cheers, brother. Kia ora from KY in the US. Much love. Where's KY, my bro? Sorry, my brother. I'm that guy. You got to give me the whole name. Oi, Susie. Thank you for the 5 months as an Optimus Prime as well. No joke, on the preview, looked like you were getting a moko. Oh, really? Oh, Kentucky. Oh, cheers, brother. Kentucky. How is it all the way over in Kentucky, my brother? Thank you, Joel. Yeah, so all I'm doing now is just going to mark out how much of the design we're going to do right around. Cold. Is there a way I can send it back? Oh, chill, brother. I was like, hey, send what? Wait, do they make all the barrels over in Kentucky for the whiskey? Or the bourbon? Whatever it may. I don't drink, so I barely know. Good morning there, Big Rectum Randall. Okay. Sup, Donny? What is up there, legend? I hope you win your streamer award. We'll definitely see, brother. We'll see, my bro. Yeah, I'm not really fixated on winning it. If we win it, brother, we win. If not, you know, life goes on. But yeah, if we do, we do. I don't know what I'd say if we do. Jerry Rigdon, how you been there, brother? I still remember they did some gifts and stuff. Jerry, brother Zach. I'm still surprised their video's still around, brother. Genuinely. Yo, Remix Snipes, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Welcome on through to the stream, my brother. Hope you're well and looking after yourself most of all, my bro. I'm just wondering how I want to do this. Yeah, it's pretty cool industry. The tours are fun to go on as well. Oh, okay. It's pretty on. It's pretty on. Let me just fully get this wrapped right around. Is it center line? Remember, always keep your center lines, chat, so you know. So you know how much of each side you have. What's the meaning of this carving? With a tiki, my bro, it can represent your ancestor. Represents fertility as well. Or that of a child. Because the tiki itself, the form, actually comes from a newborn baby. That's where the form itself is inspired by. And they aren't normally this size here. They're normally a pendant form. Pretty much, my bro. One, two, three. So that's one section of the mouth ready. You deserve it. I have followed for a while when the video of you came up on social the other day and made me hop back on Twitch. Oh, cheers, brother. Yeah, it's always cool to see people that haven't been around for a while. They will drop back in, just give a bit of a hello and what they've been up to. It's probably my favourite part about it all, eh? Like I always say, one of my favourite things about being on Twitch is hearing and being told about all the W's people from the community make away from the stream. It's probably one of my favourite parts about it all, is knowing that. Just knowing someone that, you know, watch my stream is succeeding in their path in life. That's what I love about it, brother. Like, genuinely always will be my favourite thing. Knowing that people from the stream are succeeding in whatever it may be in their lives. Legit, why is the face always on 90 degrees like that? Because kids, babies can't hold their faces up, eh? That's why the head's normally tilted. That's the reasoning I was told behind it. Babies can't hold their heads up, eh? Like right down to the body of it, eh? Like the baby scrunch. They always got told it was because of the baby, because that's where the form of the tiki comes from. From Master Carvers o Te Puia. For the tiki specifically, yep. Oh, hold up, what's going on here? Sorry, chat, just sorting out our center. Tai hoa. Which means hold on. Hold up, wait a minute. Michael, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. I'm from Brazil. Kia ora, bro. Thank you very much for the 116 roses, my bro. Shee. Oh, gardener. Thank you, my bro. Hold on, let me just put another break in here. There we go. Cheer, Jai. How you doing? Thank you very much once again, Michael, for the 118 roses, my bro. What's the singlet from when you went to Pakistan? No, I've had this for about 2 years now. They sent it to me 2 years ago. Power, team power, bungalow. Thank you for the 6 months in advance, my bro. Big bungalow. Thank you very much, brother. The bungalow man. Thank you very much for the love, my brother. I appreciate that. With Christmas coming up, what is everyone's signature dish? What's everyone cooking up or making up for Christmas? I will be doing my banoffee. That is the only thing I look forward to in the Christmas time. On the Christmas period as well, to make sure I watch my weight, I'm gonna change to a carnivore diet, because my wife's family is into their barbecues. So it only makes sense to switch up to carnivore. I don't mind the old barbecue either. Yeah, what you need? Do you need it? What do you need? My battery's almost flat. You can go inside. What? Okay. Maybe my wife is going to give me a galaxy. She seems a bit sussy bucker. Goop, goop, goop. How did our World of Warcraft go, my bro? Did you end up trying Hunter? Little bit of goop. Little bit of goop. I'm just cooking up something, chat. Do you know Steph from the Choice Files? I have been chatting to her and her husband. They do want a piece too, and I went to, and they reached out to me too after the LZ World Tour. They're cool. They're cool people. But yeah, I'll most likely do them something. Just not sure. Maybe after the festive season. Don't tell them though, because her Tane asked for something. Don't tell her though. I think you might be keeping it a surprise. Wonder if this Mad Mike thing is still going this week. Are you the streamer guy that went viral? Hey brother, how are you? How you BK Drift? Yeah bro, I'm still fairly new to like... Your left cheek hurts, sit on the right one. Have you got boils there? Yeah, BK, yeah. Oh, are they? Sure, my bro. Yeah, I'm still fairly new to like the whole drifting scene in the country. One of my good bros got me into drifting. He used to roll with Hoonigan for a bit there, but I met him through Grand Theft Auto, of all things. You met him through Grand Theft Auto, and we've been mates ever since, pretty much. Oh, is he? Yeah. Is that you too, my bro? Hold on, chat. Yeah, bro, the LZ World Tour, bro, was mean. Good old Hoss, yeah. Got a lot of time for that guy. He messaged me too. I sent a voice message the other week that I need a reply to. I always ask him how he is now that he's a dad now. See how he's going. My dad got sick in... Oh, nice, bro. Oh, what car was your dad driving? New account, bro. No, I've only ever had one TikTok account. Yeah, he has a son now. Yeah, Hoss has a son. His name's Maverick. Little Mav. Bright yellow S13. I think I do remember seeing that yellow S13 too. I was just buzzing out at all the cars, eh? They were mean as, bro. I was supposed to go on a ride along with Samet, but I couldn't go on the Sunday because I had other commitments. That was thanks to the bro Hoss too. Oh, shazer. Oh yeah, no, I do remember seeing their car hooning. I think I got a video of your dad's car too. Yeah, I think I have a video of your dad's car and some of the heats. Sure, that's a mean one, bro. Yeah, I took a couple videos while I was there too. Love the power merch, man. Thank you, brother TMP. Okay, So I've just been drawing this up. I'll show you as well, guys. So you can see, are you Muslim, bro? Just curious. Nah, not at all. Not at all, bro. I'm just, yeah, I just care about the gods in my own culture, pretty much. Do you play chess? Nah, brother. I lack the brain capacity for that game. I'll end up just trying to be Ron Weasley. Knight to e5. Glad to see you still around. Rocks always brightens my day. Jeremiah, bro, rejoice. How you been, brother? So we're just currently on the drawing vibes at the moment, my bro. Let me just try and cook something up real quick. If you want, I can get you some red. Oh, no. Save your money, brother. It's all good. It's all good. I know there's a Mad Mike drifting event this month. And I'm gonna try and go to that one too. Because I think Red Bull's hosting that. See if I can get in on that. Get amongst it again. How often do you have competitions, my bro? Because I'm pretty much out of the loop with all that kind of stuff. I'll be keen to try and attend some more. Are they always in Taupo? Because I live in Rotorua, so I'm not too far away. Hold up. I don't like how TikTok like censors some of the comments, so I gotta go through and undo them all. Very silly whoever came up with their feature on TikTok. You would be a wonderful toi whakairo kaiako. I've been teaching my nephew. That's about as far as teaching it as I've gone so far. Maybe later in life, maybe. At the moment I'm still trying to, you know, kind of get with my journey in Whakairo at the current moment. But yeah, it's definitely something I'd, you know, go into if I ever wanted to, because I got asked to teach straight out of the carving school and I was like, bro, I just finished. I'm not trying to knuckle down straight away, because I kind of want to still do my own thing as well. On Google, and you can find the dates there. Oh yeah, mean, my bro, thank you. Yo, Slats, thank you very much for the jellyfish. The Maori word for jellyfish, ladies and gentlemen, is peti peti, if you wanted to know. Even I just found that out too. They be coming up with new Maori words every bloody year. Mean, thank you, my bro. Yeah, I'm keen to attend more. But yeah, shout out to the bro Hoss for that hookup, man. That was pretty buzzy. Now I've been following Samet on Twitch too. He goes live on Twitch quite a few times, which is cool. I always watch his YouTube stuff as well. Sorry, chat, just trying to get these marks done. Your whānau's in Nungi. Oh, true, bro. Hey, Manishka, how you doing? So I'm just trying to put something in there that would fit. Mantasumi, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, Manta. I forgot. I gotta try and keep the square look going on. Because I did it on the arm. Take everything from you and throw it all away every day. Kia ora, bro, from Sweden. Hey, brother. How you doing all the way in Sweden, my bro? What type of wood do you use for your carvings? Majority of the time, the timber that I'm using is native. So native timber to Aotearoa or to New Zealand. Like ideally, that's the kind of timber that I want to be using majority of the time. Like this timber here is called rata. Rata is relatively hard timber, eh? She's a bit of a hard one. At the same time though, with this particular timber, it can also be used, or majority of the time it's used to carve some of our weapons that we have in our culture as well. And in other cases, we'd use this timber to make our mallets too. Which is another thing. Have you ever made it so far into a carving and accidentally messed up? And yeah, heaps of times. But you know, if you have the timber there and you can adjust it all, then yeah, I just end up doing that. Where are we? Just making sure I haven't missed anything. We made the right person famous. Cheers, brother. Check the... What's happening? Happy first day of the month. Happy first day of the month, my friend. Thank you, QVX Ria, for the ice cube. Almost every day, so if you want to come and watch... Oh, chill, my bro. Yeah, yeah. So you go live on here, my bro? Let me give you a follow. Gave you a follow, my bro. Be keen to come watch you and your old man rip it up, my bro. Oh, hold up. There we go. Much better. Bit of a different design this time around, man. Geez, I better watch out for this side, man. Looks a bit like a gang sign. Oh no, it doesn't. I'll take that back. You follow much rugby? Yeah, I was looking at the Sevens results this morning. Thank you for the fluffy penguin. Bang, all is well, my bro. What about you? And Cam, kia ora. Diesel Dan, thank you very much for the roses, my friend. We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. Yeah, pretty much, brother. Yeah, like for me, there's always gonna be a way around it. And there normally is, my bro. That's the thing. People like lose all hope when you know, they make the slightest mistake. But in reality, there's always a way around it, eh? Always. There we go. So just need to clean this up. So that's a majority of the face drawn up. I'm just going to do one thing to this brow here, and it's going to be that design. Are you going to the Streamer Awards? I got invited, brother, but I can't attend. I've got something important with my kids on that day. And I can't afford it either. It's too expensive around this time of the year. This is a time where, you know, kind of got to save up for food. Dare I say it, for silly presents. But me and my wife only get our daughters one thing. Because their aunties and uncles and their grandparents all go all out too. So make sure we got a present for all our nieces and nephews as well. But yeah, I did get invited. However, yeah, I can't afford to. And my daughters have an important event on that day too. Hey Twink, how you doing? Much love, my brother. Yeah, when it comes to like event, if there's a family event on the same time for something, when you know, say it's for streaming, I always choose my family first. There's only one time I didn't choose my family first, but my wife made me go and take it to a bloody birthday anyway. That's when Speed wanted to meet me. And I was like, oh, I need to go and see Speed, babe. I think it will benefit the stream and everything. He goes, no, you're taking me to a birthday. I was like, fuck. I was pissed off that whole day too. I was mad that whole day. But I'm over it now. It only lasted for a whole day. How's life been treating you after the donation went viral? Pretty busy as usual. Had more kids as well. Pretty much. But other than that, brother, all good. Okay, well, their face is all ready. It's all ready to go. All we have to do is just clean up in the mouth. And that's it. It's ready to go. So all I had to do really was I drop down this tooth. I'll probably do the same to this one. And then we'll clean up the arero and inside the mouth too. And then it should be ready to design. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. Genuinely, man, this piece has been a lot of fun. So with this design too, although it looks the same to the rest of the face, there's going to be a slight change in one of them. This side's going to be the one that's different. I'm not sure what it's going to look like, but there's an idea that I have inside my brain right now and I want to try it on this. Hey, what up, Ice Mage? Oh, Ice Manga? Did you learn this in an apprenticeship? Back in school. So my uncle was the teacher at the time for Whakairo, traditional Maori wood carving, and we only ever did it every Friday. Like every Friday is when we did our class. It was just something that we did away from, you know, normal school work. And I just went into the class out of curiosity. And then, hello. Started at 12, now I'm 34. Brother man is still going. I love it, bro. This is what I love to do in life. And I hope everyone finds their calling in life as well. So before any of this, I actually wanted to be a zookeeper. I wanted to be a zookeeper. Or work in the art department at Blizzard. But essentially, yeah, all of that became irrelevant when I started doing Whakairo. Oh, Bezza! Thank you for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you very, very much, my brother. Is this a hobby or something? I've done Whakairo full time since I was 16. I've only been streaming it full time for about 5 years. This is going to be a bastard to clean out, man, because this is the end grain side. So a lot of the timber is growing this way, so it's flowing this way. And in this section here, it's going the other way. How many people carve like this within our culture? Oh man, it's hard to even... I don't know, at least like 150 plus, I'd say. Hey, what's up, Sire? Good morning, Brox, and lovely chat. Found out last Friday that a nurse I work with, where I'm an orderly cleaner, also enjoys what... Oh, really? Oh. Hey, what are the odds of that? Yo, that's pretty buzzy. Do you say cheer to one another? Pulavinaka, my bro. That'll be cool if you see each other at work and go, cheer. Cheer. What are the odds, my bro? That's crack up. Greetings from Poland. Kia ora, my friend. What's up, Titus? How you, my bro? Hope you're looking after yourself, my brother. Hey, not much, my bro. Just had a busy weekend. Busy weekend of kapa haka practice. Now back to the other mahi now, doing this. This is also the face you were carving too, my bro. Yo, The Hill, thank you for the 42 months. One of my favourite numbers. Because that was my intake number at the carving school. Hope you are having an excellent day. Oh, bro, my day is going good. I've been up since 3 AM. Then come to find out that the event I'm meant to co-stream was only a one-day thing. But hey, it was cool watching Faker and them play again. This piece is looking good. Thank you, my bro. Greetings from Washington. Kia ora, brother. Kia ora. Thank you very much, The Hill. Heck yeah, 13 was always... Oh, really? Yeah, 13, 42, and 23. So 23 is like my birthday in September. 42 was my intake number within the carving school. Thank you, Resto Bear, for the 4 months. Hey, you bit of a WoW player, brother. It's giving WoW player vibes. Kia ora from Australia. Hello, my friend. How are you? Kia ora. Yeah, so we'll see how this design cooks up like this. So the plan is, you know, with the design that we've been doing, how it has that ridge. With this one, we're taking the ridge out, we're digging it out. That's the plan. My wife and I haven't been learning to do, and I told my mum today that she's going to need some money on her house. Got a weird look. So she like, eh? It's like that one scene on Harry Potter. You dare use my spells against me? Which I ended up watching last night. It was Deathly Hallows Part 2 on Channel 2 last night. You dare use my spells against me? I'm the Half-Blood Prince. What's up, Buzo? What's up, Marvel? The wild druid player instincts are spot on. I knew it. I knew there was a disturbance in the Azeroth. It was all in the name Resto. My brother. I can't wait for midnight. Why? Because I just want to decorate a house. That's the one part of midnight I'm looking forward to. Decor, chat, decor. Where's my skew? Oh, there it is. Username. Thank you very much for the gifties, my bro. Hold on, chat. Let me just get all of this out. wife gave me an elbow to point out what I've done in my mum's. And she was so confused. Yeah, this guy. Alrighty. Hea te waiatara. Legends of Zelda. Love your tattoo. Thank you, brother. I'll explain it soon. I just want to try and get this section done here first. Then, so what it represents as a whole is my family, where I'm from, and what I've been doing majority of my life, brother, which is Whakairo. Some big ass bug, eh? Get off there. I'm also planning on making my own blacksmith forge. Yo, that's badass, brother. Interesting craftsmanship. The technique you were using reminded me of book illustrations, and to do made me think of how illustrative what you're working on looks like as a whole. Oh, thank you, brother. Well, I'll take it out of the voice so you can see it properly, eh? So, this here is a tiki. So that's a tiki, my bro. Although, with this design here, Taratara Akai, it does just, it's more of a contemporary flow. It's just something I wanted to do, but I'll show you a more traditional one. This is more what Taratara Akai would look like, with the more like curvilinear designs going on. So this is a popo. So these are like traditional form here too that we do. This is called a popo, P-O-U, P-O-U. And this is made out of kauri, K-A-U-R-I is the name of the timber. And the timber we're working on right now is rata, R-A-T-A. It's more of a hard timber. This one here. So yeah, so this piece in particular is just me doing a bit of revision, because I haven't done a tiki in a couple years, and yeah, just me having a go and seeing if I can still do it. That's basically all this piece is for. Do you mainly just do Maori designs? Yeah, pretty much those are the only designs I do. If I wanted to learn another culture's carving style, I have to live with them, eh? That's kind of how I like to learn it ideally. It's by going to live with them. Because you know, it's different learning about a culture in a book as opposed to living it. Can I pet the dog? You have a good day too, my brother. Might appreciate you, my bro. The voice is not voicey. Come on now, you bloody thing. There we go. Time is 11:39. Okay. Okay. Keep it up, brother. Thank you, my bro. What's our time? How long have we been live for? Okay. TikTok. TikTok, that might be me for today. My phone's getting flat. Hope you all enjoyed the TikTok stream. Yeah, I normally just do a TikTok stream till my phone gets flat. But genuinely, thank you very much to everyone that tuned in today. And I appreciate you all sticking around for so long too. Thank you for all the gifties as well. We'll try and stream on TikTok all week this week. I'll try and get that done. And carry on from there. But I want to say good night. Have a good day. And I will see you all tomorrow. Okay? Have a good one. GG's. Thank you very much for joining TikTok. Ka kite. Thank you for all the gifties too. Ka kite. Let me just go and put my phone on the charger, chat. But we're going to carry on till for another couple moments too. Alrighty, let's carry on, eh? Yeah, I don't have a battery pack, eh? So I can't do those TikTok streams for long. Wait. There we go. Oh jeez. Yo, Bungalow, was that a tui I heard in the background? Sometimes we get the odd tuis that fly past, my bro. You definitely get a lot of tuis flying past a little bit frequently. Yo, Crow Alternative. Thank you very much for the raid. Kia ora, Crow, and your community for coming through. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And this is what I normally do on stream. Welcome through to you and your community. Hope you had a wonderful stream most of all. Kia ora everybody, kia ora, kia ora. What did you get up to on stream today? Moment. Right around. So you can kind of see what I'm up to. So genuinely, still going to be the same as this design here on the arm, but the middle will be dug out. Been lurking here for a good while. Love your energy. Oh, thank you, crew. They played Overcook. Have I played that game? That's when you're in the kitchen, eh? Is it that one? And you run like a restaurant with your mates? I think it's that game. If it is, I do remember playing a game like that, and it was very, very loud with all my mates. It was very loud. But I think that's what made it a lot more memorable for me as well, just how loud it was. I was the one guy on the team that was just laughing all the way through. It was a lot of angry Greeks screaming and totally was Chad's fault. That sounds like a good time, I won't lie, that sounds like a good time. I'm just remembering myself playing that game, and yeah, it's all coming back to me now. It's a bit like Pico Parque. Oh man, that game was funny to play on as well, especially when your mates are sweats about it. Oh, so good, so good. It's definitely a game that tests friendships for sure. Totally not your fault. Right here. You have a blessed day, bro. Catch you on the next one. Cheerio, brother master. Have a good one, my bro. Thank you for holding it down on Kick, my bro. Have a good day. just got to make sure it's on the same depth as the other one too. That's the main thing we got to keep an eye on. At the moment it's a bit too shallow. There we go. You want to make sure these walls are straight up and down. It's the main thing we want to keep an eye on. My wife just needs something real quick, one moment. Okay. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I was asking my wife if she was keen to go for a walk before we pick up the kids. Still relatively early, but yeah, we try and get a bit of movement in with each other before the little ones get home. Try and get more active, chat. More active. Woo. There we go. Boom. Movement is good, very much so, my brother, very much so. Gotta get it in, my bro, the daily. And then I will go to the gym when the kids go to bed. Gym in the morning, gym in the evening, and then something in between the morning and the evening. Even if it's just a little walk. It's better than doing nothing, for sure. Always got to keep that in mind. Yo! Thank you very much for the brand new tier 1, my brother. Hey, thank you, bro. Jeez, I don't even know what we're at. I haven't really been keeping track of the sub count. I'm trying not to focus on the sub count. Okay. Sort this out. Go. Majority of it out. Love your outlook on life and love your art. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate that, my bro. Straight up. Starting to get a bit of shape here now. Genuinely, my brother, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. I think we just hit 3 hours too. So that will probably conclude our mahi for today. Oi! Thank you for the 10, but brother, you just subbed. Brother, man, coming in with the 10 bomb. Thank you very much, brother. You just subbed yourself. That was totally fine, my bro. Appreciate that, brother. Genuinely. If anyone got a gifted sub from there, please give our brother a thank you. Thank you very much, my bro. Oh, there you go, Vanguard. Can I get a thank you from you, please? Thank you very much for that, brother.
I've gifted a tier 1 sub to Vanguard. They have given 12 gift subs in the chat.
Hey, Empanada, my friend. I like your crocs. Yeah, I like to carve with comfort, my friend. Luckily, there's no health and safety officers that come here. But yeah, brother, these are pretty much my daily shoe, my bro. No matter where I am, even when I went to Las Vegas, my bro, I was rocking these bad boys. All the big streamers are like, "What are you wearing those?" Comfort. I don't care about anything else. Comfort is key. The only other person that was wearing Crocs at TwitchCon was the police dog. And his handler followed me on Instagram. like, yeah, the dog's wearing Crocs. And the handler guy goes, you're the only person I've seen here in Crocs, bro. I said, oh, yeah. I'm comfortable. If Whippy was there, he'd probably be in his jandals. Here we go. Nothing beats comfort, that is true. Hey, baby. Did you? Hi. Baby's outside touching grass, chat. Hold on, I'm just looking for my scoop. There it is. Boom. First day of summer. Yummy. What time is it? Time of our lives. It's our vacation. What time is it? Party time. It's our vacation. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's take this out of the voice. So you can see it properly. So all of these will be dug out as we progress through it too. Can see it all. Okay, that looks pretty solid. Alright guys, that is going to be us for today. I hope you all enjoyed the stream. Want to say thank you very much for the follows, the raids. Thank you very much for the gifted subs and the resubs too. That is going to be us for the day. I'm going to head out, go and enjoy a walk with my wife before going to pick the kids up later on. And yeah, pretty much go to from there. Thank you very much everyone for joining in. That's me. I will see you all tomorrow. Be back tomorrow. And we'll carry on with the face 2 on the side that we're carving away. We still got to dig out majority of their face, and we add the notches in as well. Okay. So for now, GG's. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all tomorrow. See you later. And see you later as well, YouTube. Thank you very much for tuning in, and also to Kick as well.